How to log in into Hudson's Bay Mastercard account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Hudson's Bay Mastercard account. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up a web browser and simply search for Hudson's Bay Mastercard login. After you search for that, you'll find this website by Neo Financial. So head over there. Now all you have to do is use your credentials to log in into your account. So type in your email address, whatever your email address is, and finally your password. After you do that, tap on the login button and then you'll get logged in into your account. And that's how easy it is. You can also just tap on this forgot your password if you've forgotten your password and reset it. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.